What's going on? It's Ben here from Bunny Media, and today we're talking all about how you can get started making affiliate marketing from YouTube, making very simple videos. And I've done this exact strategy myself to generate thousands of dollars in recurring affiliate income that grows every single month by following this exact 4-step strategy that we're going to share with you in this video. And after walking through the 4 steps, I'm then going to share some bonus tips at the end of this video that are a little higher level strategy that will help you make more money and do so faster. So if that's something you're looking to do, be sure to stick around for the entire video. It will absolutely be worth your time and help you generate affiliate marketing money through YouTube. So let's get right into the video and help you do just that. Let's go. So like I said, it's a very simple 4-step process, and we're going to walk through every single step with you. And to start off, why YouTube is such a powerful affiliate marketing machine is because it's a search engine, meaning people are actively looking for the content that we're going to create. And it also has a very long content lifespan. So videos that you make today can be bringing in money for you months or even years down the line. And I have numerous videos across my channels on YouTube that are bringing in a ton of money that were made years ago. So if you do this stuff right from the beginning, it can make you money for years down the line and do so passively, which is absolutely awesome. So the first step of this process obviously is very obvious. You need to create your YouTube channel, and you also need to figure out your niche. It's important to have a niche on YouTube because it's going to make it easier for you to target the right programs for the videos that you want to make, as well as it makes it easier for YouTube to show your content to the right people. Because if you try to take a very, very broad approach and you have videos all over the place, YouTube won't know the type of person to show your videos to, so you actually end up hurting yourself by confusing YouTube. So figure out what kind of channel you want to be, and that will allow you to make it way easier for making videos, finding affiliate programs, and just growing and making money in general. So for the sake of this video and to walk through the steps, we're going to be a digital marketing focused channel, which Bunny Media already is. So this is the exact process that we would go through to make a video for this exact channel. So after you've created your channel and figured out your niche, the next step is to set up the channel and authenticate the channel or verify it so you can post longer videos than 15 minutes. And this is really important because some of the videos that you will want to make that can get a ton of conversions for you will need to be longer than 15 minutes to build the rapport, deliver the value, and then get that referral. So the next step after you've done that is to find your offers. And luckily this is super easy to do as well. And we're going to use my best friend, Google. So go over to Google and just type in best affiliate programs. And you're going to be given so many different options because affiliate marketing is so powerful. So many service providers or companies, brands, whatever, they have affiliate programs in place because it works so well and it's little to no risk for them. So if you know your niche, you could even target this further by saying, say, best digital marketing affiliate programs, etc. Whatever your niche would be, there's very likely established programs already in place. So we typed in best affiliate programs. We're then going to scroll down and we'll pick 45 of the best affiliate programs that pay the highest because obviously we want to make some money. So we're going to scroll down here and look at the different options that HubSpot has included. Scroll down here. And again, so we are a digital marketing channel. So we want to be looking for digital marketing related services. And when it comes to affiliate offers, there's 2 payment structures that will be in place. Either they will pay you a one-time referral fee or commission, and it will typically be a higher ticket, meaning you'll make more money, but you'll only make it once. The other option is for recurring commissions that are paid out to you on a month-over-month basis. And this is usually for software or recurring subscriptions. Then you can make a percentage of that person's payment every single month. And this is great to build passive income over time. So depending on your needs, some programs will pay higher ticket up front. So if you need cash faster, that could be a great option for you. But I'm obsessed with the long-term approach here and building this up over time and creating consistent, reliable, and sustainable passive income through this strategy. So a perfect example of a program that would fall into that category is ConvertKit. ConvertKit is an email marketing solution, and it also is a very reputable email marketing solution that people love and also pays a very high percentage recurring affiliate income. So it checks really all of our boxes here for a program. So I definitely recommend you doing your vetting to find great products that are worth promoting and that people will be happy with. Because this is a recurring affiliate opportunity, if you refer someone to a crappy product, they're not going to stick around for a long time. But ConvertKit is very well known, and especially when it comes to email marketing, people typically stay with the same provider for a very long period of time, making ConvertKit an obvious choice and a good option for the example we're going to walk through in this video. So we're only going to walk through one example for the sake of time in this video, but you would go through and repeat this process over and over, hitting all of the different programs that you want to hit within your niche for your channel. So we're going to go with ConvertKit for this video. So I would just come back to my Google Doc, type that out here. And then the next phase in step 2 is to sign up for the program that you want to promote. So you have to actually go sign up, apply to ConvertKit's affiliate program. That will then get you the affiliate link so you can start making the videos and using the affiliate link on that to get credit for your referrals and start making that money. So step 3 is the next step in the process. And here we want to find in-demand keywords. So videos that people are actively searching for, ideally with high levels of purchase intent. So what that means is this is a video that people are typically going to watch as the last step in their decision-making process. And I'll explain what this means and give you some examples here in a minute. But really this whole step and process is really figuring out what videos we're going to make based on existing consumer demand, as well as videos that we know can convert people to actually use our link and help us make affiliate marketing money. To do this very easily and time efficiently, I use vidIQ, and more specifically, I use their keyword inspector tool. So all you have to do is come into here and you can type up to 5 keywords. But for this example, we'll keep it simple and just type in ConvertKit. This will then populate a ton of keywords that are relevant to our existing or primary keyword of ConvertKit, which is the affiliate offer we're focusing on, and give you a ton of different related keywords that are all different video opportunities, and certain ones will have higher levels of purchase intent, and I'll walk through what that means. So ConvertKit tutorial is absolutely one I would want to make. I would then come back over here and just jot that down, ConvertKit tutorial. So we're just creating ideas right now based on numbers. So if we come back over here, why this is so valuable is because there's nearly 19,000 people searching this per month, very low competition, and an overall score of 75 out of 100, making that a great opportunity to make a video right on that subject. And you could even take this single idea and take it a step further by really combining 2 of nearly the identical keywords. So ConvertKit tutorial is almost the same as ConvertKit tutorial 2021. So you can really do that all in one step. And plus, that's actually great titling practices. You want to try to include things that make it more relevant and speak more to the person clicking it. By just including the keyword ConvertKit tutorial, we're speaking more to YouTube, but you have to remember that it's actually a human being on the other side who's going to click that video. So you want to be sure to make the video and include that keyword, but also make it more appealing and make it more of a title that a human being would actually click. So let's go through a few more examples here of potential video ideas. So go back over here and we'll do ConvertKit for beginners. That's another one that I would want to make. Let's just type that out. ConvertKit for beginners. And we'll do like 2 more here, but you can go as deep with this as you want. And why it makes sense to make a bunch of these different videos, even though they may sound very similar, is because if you have a far more targeted video, YouTube is very focused on relevancy. So if you make an identical video to what people are searching for and it's a solid video, you increase your chances of ranking for that keyword. And because we're focusing on high purchase intent videos, we want to get as many of these videos ranking as possible across all of these keywords. And by making a specific video for each topic, you're increasing the likelihood that you actually get that placement, what I call digital real estate, which means you're going to get more views, more clicks, and more referrals. So go through this process, take your time. You can go as crazy with this as you want. And luckily, a lot of these videos will be pretty similar. So you're basically regurgitating what you already said, but we want to target a specific keyword so that we increase our likelihood of ranking for that video. So let's pick 2 more. We'll do ConvertKit versus MailChimp. That's another strategy too, is doing comparison videos, because typically that's a very high purchase intent because they've gotten to this step in the purchasing pathway and they're now debating between ConvertKit or MailChimp. And this way you can sign up for both programs, and actually, regardless of who they choose, you still win because you're the final link that they use and you get credit for it. So you'd obviously go and sign up for MailChimp too. So let's do one more thing. Okay, how to set up ConvertKit. Okay, we'll also do that too. How to set up ConvertKit. Okay, so you'd go through again, you'd repeat this for each offer that you want to focus on, and you'd want to capture as many of these terms as possible that have a decent amount of traffic that is proven, there's low competition, and then a solid score. vidIQ will give you a ton of different ideas. Look at all these topics that you could make that people are actively searching for, okay? So go through, take your time, and build out a thorough list for each offer that you want to focus on. So this is step 3 in the process. We've now documented all in-demand topics and ideas. And again, we're thinking of high purchase intent all the way through. You want to get into the mind of the consumer here, or even think for yourself, what are the things that you're looking for right before you make a purchase? What's that last video that you watch? You want to capture as many of those topics or keywords as possible so that more and more people are using your link more consistently so that you make more money. So now that we have this list, the next step in the process is to actually make these very basic videos. And so what I mean by basic is they'll be very simple edits and screen recordings because people are here to be educated. So if you go too crazy with edits, you're going to confuse them anyway. So these videos are going to be typically talking head videos like you're watching right now with an inclusion of screen recordings of the product or your experience with it, really just showing them behind the scenes of what it's like to be using this. And that's why they're going to learn to know, like, and trust your video, and then in turn use your link. So share your genuine thoughts and experiences centered around each of the keywords or topics that we outlined in step 3. Be honest here. People can smell BS a mile away. So you want to be very honest with your opinions and your experiences. And that's why it's so important to do your research beforehand to make sure you're actually promoting a product worth your time and one that will actually keep people around, keeping you making more money consistently or helping you get those higher ticket one-time referrals. And for inspiration in terms of filming the actual video and editing it together, take inspiration from similar style videos that are already successful on YouTube. So go watch some similar tutorial videos or comparison videos or whatever you've deemed to be a high purchase intent keyword, and go look at similar videos that are performing very well and see how that video was edited. Why did people decide on that video? Why did they stick around, and why did they keep watching it? Because if it's getting a ton of views, people are doing all of those things, which means YouTube's going to push the video farther. You're going to get more views and more money and more referrals. And then the final step in this is to really create a custom thumbnail for each single video. This is very important, and you don't need to go crazy here. Clear and basic is going to help you because all of these topics are search focused. So all we're really trying to do is ensure that people know exactly what the video is because they want to be sure that they're clicking what they actually searched for. So we're really just making that very clear and obvious. Again, go to YouTube for inspiration here. Look at videos that are doing very well, that are similar to the one that you're trying to create. And the final tip I'll include in step 4 is to actually write titles for a human being. Okay, so we want to actually entice a human because that's actually who's going to be clicking it. So if we just include the title and that's it, that's not a very enticing headline or title most of the time. So you want to be thinking about that it's actually a person on the other side of the screen and you want to get into their mind. So for example, of ConvertKit Tutorial 2021, that's great because you're providing relevancy and they know exactly what it's about. But you could probably take that even a step further by speaking to what the person is thinking before they click that video. You really want to get into their mind. So an example of this, which I call a psychological trigger, could be something like the best email marketing solution, something like that. So get into the mind of what they're thinking or what questions they're asking themselves. And by including that little extra trigger, it's like you're in their mind and it's going to make an obvious no-brainer to click your video because they feel like they're about to get everything they're looking for. So at this point, you've gone through the 4 steps. You have your channel up and running. You figured out your niche. You figured out the offer that you're trying to promote. And you figured out what videos you should make based on what people are searching for and can get you sales, focusing on high purchase intent videos, topics, and keywords. You then just need to go through your list that we created in step 3 and make all of these videos that can help start bringing you leads and referrals through the affiliate marketing offer. And the final bonus tips that you really want to implement is to ensure that you have good SEO practices. So YouTube is a search engine and SEO stands for search engine optimization. So those are the other elements that YouTube is keeping track of to determine what the video is versus what it isn't. So that's again going to be through the use of keywords, and then also the words in your description and in your tags. I strongly recommend using a tool like vidIQ. It'll make the whole process substantially easier and do almost all the work for you. I use it across all of my channels because it achieves what I could do on my own in maybe 15, 20 minutes per video in seconds per video. So it does help. It is tremendously helpful. They have a free and a paid version. If you want to try them out, there's a link to it down below. It is a massive help and we use it every single day. The other tip is you want to make sure to be transparent because consumers can smell BS. So if you just make this sound like this product and this offer is all sunshine and rainbows, people are naturally going to be very skeptical and they're not going to likely make the decision there because they feel like they need to do more research. So that's why it's also important to share the bad as well as the good. That's actually a very powerful sales technique because typically you go in and you lead with the good. And if it's all good, people are naturally very skeptical. Whereas if you're upfront and honest about good, but here's the one bad, people then feel like they're more assured in their decision and they're far more likely to buy on the spot as long as that con or that negative doesn't impact them too much, which often it won't because you've already done your research and you're finding a great offer and solution. So after you've gone through and done this on one channel or across numerous channels, you're going to start getting some wins. And what I mean by wins is getting referrals and getting more and more customers for these offers, these products, and these services. So what you want to do is keep track of these wins. And especially if you get a huge win for a specific company, you want to use this as leverage when you go and negotiate more offers for either the existing channel or more channels down the line. Companies love proven success. So as an affiliate like myself, I have a ton of proven success that I can show these companies that I've actually done this, and I've brought the other companies X amount of dollars on a consistent basis and customers, which every business wants and needs. And you can use this to negotiate better terms in terms of what you get paid as an affiliate, or maybe even an extra bonus or incentive that your referrals can get through using your link. So by getting some wins, it really becomes a snowball effect, and you can use this to get even more and even bigger wins once you have the leverage of getting success in this once or twice or across a few different programs. It just helps you out a ton. And don't be afraid to shoot your shot and actually ask for these better terms as an affiliate. If you have proven success and you are a performer, typically the companies running these programs, they want you to recommend their product. And this way they'll actually know what you're doing, making you far more valuable as an affiliate to them than someone who doesn't have any proven success in this field. So shoot your shot. The worst they can say is no, and you'll be surprised how often they're open to starting a negotiation, and it can lead to more money and a better offer for you and the people you're referring. And the final bonus tip is just simply to rinse and repeat. Like I said earlier, you can take this strategy as far as you want to, making as many videos as you want across as many different topics, or even making more channels. It's really as far as you want to go with this. And the only thing I would really say to focus on is because we are making search-based videos, the majority of your traffic will be coming from search. So to get that, you have to be ranking in the top few videos. So if you ever come and see that an older video, maybe it was made a few years ago, is no longer ranking, that may be a good time and idea to remake that video with an updated version, because YouTube does love relevancy. So if you go crazy with this and you make a bunch of ideas and a bunch of videos, you could really get a bunch of success for years to come by doing all this work in, say, a few days or a week. And you could leave it for a while. You can go even bigger if you want to consistently add to those videos, but realistically, you could probably leave it for a while and then update only once your videos stop ranking. Another note here is don't be discouraged if your video doesn't rank right away. You don't have that trust within YouTube, within this niche. It will come if your videos are solid and you're within a specific niche like we mentioned earlier. So be patient here. A video will probably not rank right away, but then in a month or 2 months time, you may look and it is ranking #1. So be patient with this. Put in the time, put in the effort, and bang out the videos, and you will absolutely start making money from affiliate marketing using YouTube. And the passive nature of it all is absolutely amazing. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video so that you can easily find it again, and subscribe to Bunny Media for more digital marketing and making money online content to help you do both of those things, market your business and make more money online. So be sure to subscribe. We release videos very consistently, and we would love to have you on the team. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and 2 videos are about to pop up that will absolutely help you market and make money. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.